how to build an app without writing any code with Databutton. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built an AI-powered Hollywood movies catalog app without writing a single line of code. Yup, no coding, no backend setup, no UI headaches, just one smart prompt using a tool called Databutton. Stick with me till the end because I'll also show you how I added AI features like movie recommendations and genre-based filtering using OpenAI's API again, no coding needed. Let's dive in. So what is Databutton? It's a no-code AI platform that helps you build full-stack web apps just by describing what you want in plain English. Seriously, you type what kind of app you want, and it literally builds it for you front-end, back-end, APIs, even AI logic. The best part, you can preview and deploy the app within minutes. Let me show you the app we're building. It's called Hollywood Hub, an app that lets users browse through Hollywood movies, filter by genre, and get smart recommendations. It even cracks a funny line about the movie using an AI model. All of this was built in under 5 minutes from scratch and without writing a single line of code. Alright, once you're logged into Databutton, here's what the dashboard looks like, super clean and minimal. Click on New App and you'll see a prompt input. Here, I simply type. Build a web app that displays a catalog of Hollywood movies, allows users to filter by genre, and generates a funny AI comment about the selected movie. That's it. You can also upload reference images or provide a sample website if you want, but I let the AI design the UI itself. If you want database or login features, you can add integrations like Firebase, Supabase, or even custom APIs later on, all with just a few clicks. Once I submitted the prompt, Databutton started planning the project for me. Behind the scenes, it broke down the task into steps. First task, build a landing page. Second task, display the movie catalog. Third, add filtering options. Fourth, connect AI for movie jokes. Now, let's run the first task. Running a task takes a few seconds. While it's working, you can view the logs on the right. It shows what the AI is doing, generating layout, adding text, images, buttons, etc. If something breaks, it auto-detects and even debugs it on its own. That's pretty insane. Once done, I click preview and the landing page is ready. Now let's move to the catalog page and running the second task. The next task is building the actual catalog with movie listings. I ran the task and it created a clean UI, posters, titles, genres, and a filter section on the site. It even added placeholder movie data for now, which we can later replace with real info from an API or spreadsheet. Let's preview. Everything looks great. And yes, if you've deployed your app already, all updates will instantly reflect online. Databutton prompts you to enter your OpenAI API key just once. After that, it handles everything. At one point, I ran into a small issue. One page wasn't rendering correctly. But no problem, I just clicked this tool icon and Databutton scanned the logs, fixed the bug, and updated the app. No Googling errors, no Stack Overflow. Just one click. Done. If you're someone who can code, you'll love this part. Databutton gives you access to the entire codebase, so if you want to tweak the logic, change the theme, or add more functionality, it's all editable. And yes, changes reflect in the preview instantly. Once your app is ready, hit deploy at top. Just choose a username and a path, and your app goes live on a Databutton hosted URL. If you want to use your own domain, upgrade to their launch plan for $50 a month. It includes custom domain support. Want your app to stay live for longer periods? That just costs a few credits per hour for the backend. So in just a few minutes, we created and deployed a smart AI-powered Hollywood movies catalog without writing any code. From building the UI, filtering logic, OpenAI jokes. Databutton did all the heavy lifting. If you've ever wanted to build an AI app but didn't know where to start, this is it. Whether you're a student, a marketer, or a founder with an idea, you can build something real today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Drop a comment if you want me to build another app live using Databutton, maybe a book rec app, a meme generator, you name it. Thanks for watching and go try Databutton yourself.